Good morning, guys. It's currently 11:51. So I just woke up this morning and first thing I do is check my freaking messages. Did I sleep good? Yes, I did. Go check my email and then I love checking Instagram. That's my Finsta. And then my feed. Pictures. Oh, she's so pretty. Who is this? Wow. Everyone is just so beautiful. Good morning to everyone except Donald Trump. It's your girl, SummSumm. Currently at my parents' house, so. Bon appetit. Honey. My toast. My breakfast toast, I do 2 pieces of bread on an aluminum foil. Of course, when I need eggs, we don't have any. Sugar. So this is a really healthy breakfast for me, my cinnamon sugar toast, and I'm also going to be making myself some green tea. I think I want this one today. Yes. And then what I put in my green tea, my tea is this blue agave. I don't even put sugar in my tea anymore. I just put this. Breakfast. Hey guys, so I just finished eating my breakfast. My baba hairs are sticking up. Yeah, so right now I just finished my breakfast. I'm gonna go clean my bedroom up and then I'm going to scratch that. I'm gonna clean my brushes, then clean my bedroom, then go to the gym, then go to my client, then come back home. So right now I'm about to be headed to my client class. I'm teaching a one-on-one with Cam Bam, and she's gonna be recording it, and I'll be adding clips in the next few clips.
Yeah. Here with SummSumm.
My track show.
Sam, what are you teaching them today?
How to slay.
How to be a bad chick. A
Mm-hmm.
bad chick? Really? I've always wanted to be a bad chick. That's a good idea.
What? A third of the way in at the top. Yeah.
I'm the person behind the camera. Hi. Summer.
Hi.
Makeup forever. This sound expensive. This is expensive.
Yeah, it is. How it folds? Put your brush right in that fold.
Hang on.
Ooh, pretty.
So you don't line your lips?
Yes.
So if you guys cannot tell, I look a mess. And I'm very tired because I've been checking emails and planning and working on my calendar for when I get back to my house and getting work done. I'm whispering because it's 2:50 in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all my makeup and get ready for bed. Ouch. Oh. Okay guys, so I am completely ready for bed. My skin has been looking so good lately. It's now 3:42 and I'm so sleepy. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much.